To disable Google AI Overview in Google Chrome, follow these simple steps. Click on the extensions icon next to your Google Chrome search bar. Then select Manage Extensions. From there, click Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store search box, type Hide Google AI Overviews and press Enter. Click on the first result. Then select Add to Chrome. A pop-up window will appear. Click Add Extension to confirm. Now, Google AI Overview is turned off. To enable it again, follow these steps. Click on Extensions again. Then click the three dots next to Hide Google AI Overviews. Select Manage Extension. Toggle the switch to turn off the extension. You can activate or deactivate it as needed to control your Google AI Overview experience. Thanks for watching.